Hi friends, Model Glam her here to bring you a quick review. So this unit I'm bringing to you today is from Model. It's their Lace to Lace collection, and the unit I have is, well, it's, let me give you the particulars. It's a lace front. It's a 5-inch lace part, and she has ear to ear lace. And the style I have her in is triple barrel Curl-020. And the color I have her in is Ocean Deep. The hair is very soft, sort of silky, and that lace, I didn't have to tint that lace because the lace actually came that dark. So I didn't have to do any manipulation as far as melting it down to the color of my skin, because it's already the color of my skin. And the hair, it fits pretty snug on your head and everything, and it's not big head friendly. If your head is more than, like I say, 22 inches, it's going to be very snug on you. You don't need a wig grip with this unit. And she comes with those already been here before hairs. You can just cut those down or brush them back in the unit. Just use you some mousse if you don't want to cut them or anything. But the hair is very soft, as I stated, and I'm here for that color. Y'all like that color? She comes in other colors as well. The other color I'm gonna try her in, probably in that SR 530, which is a burgundy color, and then I'm gonna also jump out the box there and try her in the SR silver color. Sorry, I didn't show that stock card. I thought I did show the stock card. I mean the colors that comes with her and things like that. But I am going to try that silver color just for good measure, you know. I'm all here for the daring things with the color. I'm not pretty much a 1B or 2 type of chick. I just like the color, step out the box and see what they're working with. Hey, it's a wig. You ain't gotta wear it out in the streets if you don't want to. It's just anything. I try anything once, and it's cute. I seen someone in the Wig Slayers group try this particular color, and it was very cute and everything. So I said I'm gonna try the same color, and so here she is. She's very cute. Lace flat on your head. You don't need to wear no well, I've been stopped wearing wig caps anyway, because they just give me a headache. So you don't particularly need them, because it's not like you covering up your hair or anything. So she's a cutie. So let me know what y'all think of her down in the comments. And please, if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified on my next upload. I appreciate all your continued support, and I'll see y'all on my next upload. Smooches. Be safe out there.